Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Ads developer token from the API Center. This token is essential if you're looking to integrate Google Ads with third-party applications or build custom tools to manage your advertising campaigns programmatically. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google Ads account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account that has the necessary permissions to access developer features, as not all accounts will have this capability by default. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard where you can see an overview of your campaigns and account activity. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Admin and click on it. This section contains all the administrative tools and settings for your Google Ads account, including access management, billing information, and developer resources. Clicking on Admin will expand the menu to reveal additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main dashboard. Once the menu expands, scan through the available options until you locate API Center. This is the hub where you'll manage everything related to API access and developer credentials for your account. Go ahead and click on API Center to proceed. The page that opens is specifically designed for developers who need programmatic access to Google Ads data and functionality. You'll now see a form with several required fields that you need to complete before your developer token can be generated. Start by entering an API email contact. This should be an email address where Google can reach you regarding API-related matters, updates, or issues. Make sure it's an address you check regularly. Next, enter your company name in the appropriate field. This helps Google identify the organization that will be using the API. After that, you'll need to select the type of your company. You'll see several radio button options including advertiser, agency, affiliate, or independent Google Ads developer. Click on the radio button that best describes your business or role to select it. In the next field, provide a clear description of your intended use for the API. Be specific here as Google reviews these applications to ensure the API is being used appropriately and in compliance with their policies. Explain what kind of tool or integration you're building and how it will interact with Google Ads data. Then, enter the country where your principal place of business is located. This information is important for compliance and regional regulations. Once you've filled in all the required fields, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, click the button to create your token. After a moment, a new field will appear on the screen displaying your API key. This is your developer token and it's unique to your account. Simply click on the field to highlight it, then copy the token. You can now paste this token into whatever application, script, or integration you're working on to enable API access to your Google Ads account. And that's it. You've successfully obtained your Google Ads developer token from the API Center. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.